This is Tide Mills. That is Tide Mills, on the Seaford branch line. Really not too far from Bishopstone, as one could fervently see. No trains just yet. But this is Tide Mills. Stop, look, listen. Be aware. Beware of trains. Stop, look, listen. Look both ways. Very good vital points to make, as one can expect, yes. Well done to these signs. Very well done. Well, it is, but to just say, do expect Tide Mills to be fairly silent, and I think it used to be a railway station many a years ago. A very, very great many years ago. Tide Mills. Very much the Tide Mills. Or a big tidal wave. Or the Thames Tidal. Yeah, oh. Let's give this one a little bit of a cameo. Combine Harvester. Yes, I'll probably edit it in this video. You'll probably see it in as a whole in the video. But it's just a brief cameo of the Combine Harvester. You know, very much so. It's quite the little tractor. Well, quite the large version of a tractor. A very large version of a tactical tractor. The Combine Harvester, you know. Typically they're used in the autumn times. I think that's enough of the Combine Harvester. I think I've got enough of it. Very nice. What a shot. Time to get going again. Okay. I looked both ways and here we go. careful with this. Yeah, yeah. That is the former platform of Tide Mills. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Former station of Tide Mills, as you already seen quite a few times now.
No, Baya's a big boy. It's okay. Wait, it's okay. Let's just quickly cross. Let's check. How are we doing, Jim? Is there a train coming?
No. There's one coming in 10 minutes.
It's alright.
Right, okay. Tyler, come on.
One that's coming in like
Would you like to film trains?
A little. Well, it's...
Ruben, Tyler, we need to go now. It's right here, Mum. Okay, you need to actually stand over there because I don't know.
Guys, Milo and Lois are hungry.
It's right there, Mum. 1 minute.
It's 6 o'clock, Drew.
It's coming. It's right here. No, you can see it.
Well, this is the last socialising, the last exploring part of Tide Mills. I think I've finished exploring Tide Mills and its former railway station just for the day. One must be very careful here. It's a very remotely open level crossing. Yeah. Very good. Very nice.